3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Noel Kennedy. I'm the European Sales Director at Bluefin International. I'm here today at ISE2024 on the Nexmosphere booth with our Bluefin displays. Bluefin displays are available in sizes from 10 to 55 inches, in 16 by 9, and also in ultra-wide and stretch formats. The unique thing to the Bluefin displays is that we have onboard CMS platform. So if you are a BrightSign user or your CMS platform of choice is Android, Windows, Linux, or you use an HDMI system, all of that can be integrated simply and easily into the Bluefin display. Every Bluefin display is a 24/7 display, also capable of being in portrait and landscape format, and we have outdoor displays in a variety of different sizes. We are a custom display manufacturer, so if you have a need for a certain size display, the conversation is that you have with us via any sort of medium online, especially via our website, which is www.thebluefin.com.